Oh, for... Hello and welcome to my Suzuki Gs 750 calf racer build. The carb's fine. It's nothing to worry about. I've not left anything out of it, but I do need to go back and put some O-rings on the fuel rail. For whatever reason at the time when I had them apart and cleaned them up and painted them, I have no idea why, but I just didn't put new O-rings. It's probably because I just didn't have it around me at the time, so I thought, oh, I'll do it later on, but it never happened. So we're getting close to starting the bike now, so this is one less thing I want to worry about. You know, I don't want fuel leaking all over the frame, the engine, because it's gonna strip the paint down. So yeah, this week, strip the carbs down, and it's a chance for you to see the carbs being reassembled as well. So that information might be of help to you. I don't know, maybe, possibly, don't know. So yeah, let's crack on. So these are the fuel rail parts that I'm talking about. So we've got a T-piece where the pipe comes from the fuel tank and then flows to the other carburetors via these connection pieces here. And there's one on this carb body here as well. As you can see, this is one of the O-rings that I've taken off, and it's just snapped coming off. They're just really brittle, tired and worn. So yeah, I think it's well worth it. So I'm just going to run through this, replace them, and then assemble the carbs. Okay, so this is the one I took down to the shop. So the two outer ones, they're new. So I'm just going to take them off so we can get to the inner ones and replace them. Okay, so that's all our O-rings in place. We can put them back into the carb bodies. Just a bit of a tip, make sure the throttle cable, lever or lever is in the right way around. I've done this a couple of times now and just managed to get it wrong so many times. The next thing we're going to do is just insert the needle throttle bar, I guess that's what it's called, through the top here. Okay, and then right at this point here we've got a retaining clip just to hold it in place. So make sure you do this now, otherwise if you stick the caps on you just won't be able to thread the bolt in. You see what I mean? If that's there, you're not going to tighten it up. So what we've done is we've slid the valve bar all the way through. We've got the retaining nut here with a clip on, and then we've also got the pivot lever, the bolt in there, and then obviously these 4 bolts. Now we just need to slip on the rubber covers on the end. The next part, we need to stick the choke lever arms in. So each one will go like that. So before I stick the carbs back on, I'm just going to check each one of the carb vacuum ports, because I've never had them off before. So I just want to make sure the threads are okay, they come out, just because I've got access to it now. Banana. Right, so that's the O-rings fitted on the fuel rails. So hopefully the carbs aren't going to leak. They've not been trialled yet, but it's one less thing off my mind. So I'm not going to worry about it anymore. We're getting really close to starting the bike now. So yeah, next few weeks, maybe a bit longer, because I've still got to do the seat and I've still got to do the tank. But between that, we might get it running, so we'll see. So yeah, next week we're going to work on the seat. I'll give you a little bit of a glimpse of what's to come. That's all you get, I'm afraid. So I've got a load of bits turn up on Friday regarding doing the tank and stuff. So yeah, plenty more to come. So if you're enjoying this build series, please have a look at my other videos. It's greatly appreciated. Just having people looking through the videos, as I said before, just fires me up to keep putting this content out there. It's also given me other ideas of what I'd like to do in the future with this channel. So there's a lot going on around in this head of mine. So yeah, greatly appreciated. Thanks for the new subscribers, and I will see you next week.